Hi, today I'm going to be presenting my GymPlanner website. The first part of this presentation is going to involve me talking about the problem solution, the aims of the project, and the proposed solution that I'm going to be demonstrating in the second half. The problem statement is based around obviously trying to convince or entice people to want to attend the gym and adopt a healthy lifestyle. Here are some statistics that I have provided that can give insight into why going to the gym is important. There is, as you can see, there's a large number of people that are passing away annually from obesity in the United States. It's approximately around 400,000 people a year, according to the CDC. And obviously, it's a correlation between the lack of exercise and the type of food that people are eating. So here are some statistics about people attending the gym and dropping out. First of all, normally a lot of people tend to want to revamp their lifestyle during New Year's. So here are some statistics of what happens after they apply for a new gym membership. Basically, 4% of the New Year gym members quit by the end of January, 14% quit by the end of February, and about 50% quit within 6 months. In addition, half of all of the new members that attend the gym are normally adults that are under the age of 30, which means that they might be relatively new to working out, so they don't have much knowledge. So our problem in this scenario is that people need to improve their healthy lifestyles. However, they are losing interest in the gym within a 6-month period. Now, this project aims to solve that by providing the user with some of these aims. So this project provides the user with a website that creates a personalized gym plan. It gives them greater incentive to pursue their goals, not just personal convincing or wants or needs. It also aims to creatively motivate and provide the blueprint of better health because these users are new to the gym. And it delivers a comprehensible plan for everyone new, and also uses gamification such as a leaderboard system to even give them more incentive to go to the gym. In the proposed solution, I'm going to be using a visually stimulating product, which is the website. This will help the user, or it will stimulate the user's brain based on their visual cognition. It will also involve gamification, as I've said before, the leaderboard system. We'll provide them with a free gym plan, which is rare to come across in the online world currently. And it also bases the information on the user's input. So it is tailor-made to each user, which also contributes to the overall database and accuracy of guaranteeing which workout plan works best. And now I'm going to be demonstrating the website on my screen. Now, as soon as the website is launched, we are going to be landing on the home page. Now, as you can see, this is the header and this is the main part of the page. This part, or this section of the page, does not include any functions that are going to contribute to anything beneficial to the user, other than the fact that it's going to be very visually stimulating for them to actually want to engage with this website. There's going to be some quotes here and there, etc., and some nice enticing images that show them, what gym is going to be like, and some hints about what this project is going to look like in the future, or it's going to include rather. So this is just a page that is supposed to appeal to the user's visual senses. Now, since the user is going to have a plan based on them, and we're trying to get some information out of the users that are going to be implementing their physical dimensions, the user must sign up. Now, here is the sign up page. As you can see, the hints or the colors of the page change from red to blue. This is also another hint to entice the user. Now I'm going to be filling out my information. So after inputting my information, I'm going to be having a username of Omar. This is going to be my email address. This is my unique username for the website. In other words, no two users can have the same same username as each other. And here are the passwords that must be identical in order for the sign up to work. Let's save the password. Now I'm going to be inputting the information once again in order to log in. As you can see, as soon as I signed up, I can log in as well. Now if I go back to the home page, I'm going to be able to access the home page, log in and sign up. Once I actually log in using these two functions on the screen. So basically when I signed up, I used the create user function in PHP. It inputs all the data into the database. And here is the function that I use in order to check if the user is actually in the database, and if that's the case, then they can log in. Now, as soon as they log in, they go back to the home page, and as you can see, the user is going to be displayed up here instead of the login page in order for them to access now the profile page. Now, once the user clicks their profile page, it changes to yellow, and they're requested to update their details. Now, they're supposed to update their height, weight, body fat percentage, and body mass index. They have to weigh themselves and input this data. Now that I've input my details, I can click update, and now the database has been updated with all the information. Now the user can go back to the home page, and then they can view their schedule. Now, this is the schedule that's going to be recommended to them based on what they inputted in terms of information in their home page. So when they click the schedule, they will see that they have, Monday as leg workout, Tuesday is running, etc., etc. Now, in order to make the user understand what they're meant to be doing exactly, they can either scroll down to view the exercises, or they can click any of the buttons under the exercises. For example, legs, view exercises. It takes them to the portion of the website where it shows them the leg workouts. Now here's a demonstration of all the leg workouts that they need to perform with the number of sets and reps. This will help any new user get engaged, and they will be more willing to come back to the website. In addition, the user can visit their friends section. Since they don't have any friends down below, they're going to need to be inputting another user. This is another user that I created before. So once they click add friend, and once they refresh the page, they will see the name that they added, the username that they added, pop up on the friends list. In addition to the friends list, the user can view the leaderboard. As you can see here in the leaderboard page, the user has the user shows up, and the friend that the user just added shows up as well. Now you can see the user himself, Omar, is first because they have a BMI of 23, whereas Omar 1 has BMI of 30, so they are lower. In addition, the user can obviously update their information, and it's going to be updated on the database. Now, every single time a user changes their information or updates their information, these are two examples of code that are written that are going to be affecting the programs that are going to be given to the user. Using the program score update function, the program is going to be updated based on what the user has inputted in terms of information, based on their improvement or any regression in terms of their physicality. For example, if the user's BMI became lower, the program for them is going to be changed, and the program score that was given to them before is going to be increased by 1 because it was beneficial. However, if the program did not work for them, the program will lose the score, and based on the program scores, we can tell which gym workout works for each BMI range. I hope you gathered some information from this presentation, and I look forward to meeting you for the Viva. Thank you.